This is the solution to this. Introducing the Openthing 1 ESP-CM3, a single-board computer designed to be footprint compatible with the Raspberry Pi Compute Module 3. This versatile open-source board comes equipped with two GPIO expanders to perfectly match the pin count of the Raspberry Pi Compute Module, as well as support for I2C, SPI, and UART communication protocols. Free your project from the Raspberry Pi ecosystem with the Openthing's ESP-CM3. Do the switch, reduce your energy consumption and save money along the way. The question to consider: do you really need a full Linux system for your project? Get your module now at crowdsupply.com.